Hello, my name is Smiley Bennett, and I'm with Heartland Petroleum. I am the branch manager at our Zanesville, Ohio location. Heartland Petroleum is a used oil collection and transportation and re-refining company. We operate in several states, have multiple tanks at each site. The reason we implemented tank monitoring was to help control delivery costs and manage routes more efficiently. TankScan has given us the ability to view live inventory at each of our sites, which has multiple tanks, so we can make quick and very efficient decisions in terms of which tanks to offload into or when to ship outbound loads to our refinery. In addition, we were able to look at historical movements in those tanks to help reconcile inventory. TankScan customer care has been very dependable and very helpful, whether installation or troubleshooting. All said, TankScan has been a game changer for our operations.